Hello, my name is Ukulele. Today I'd like to teach you how to play Heal the World by Michael Jackson. A couple weeks ago I posted a video. I arranged this Heal the World because this is one of my favorite songs from Michael Jackson. By the way, if you want the tabs for this song I made with the section numbers, you can download these tabs from my Patreon site. If you pay $1 per month, you can access to all the tabs I posted there. If you're interested, please check it out from the links in the description box down below. Even if you don't have the tabs, that's okay. I'm going to teach you for free on these videos. Before I start the lessons, I have to tell you how to play the right hand. Thumb should be on the 4th fret of the top part, and point finger should be on the 3rd string bottom part. Middle finger should be on the 2nd string bottom part. Ring finger should be on the 1st string bottom part. By doing it, you can control which strings to ring. Say for example, if you want to play the 3rd string, you can just bend the point finger, and if you want to play the 4th string, you can just bend the thumb, and you can control which string to pluck. So it's really handy. So yeah, if you're interested, you can just learn this one. And also, I'm going to exclusively use, downstroke with thumb and upstroke with my point finger. So yeah, when I say up and stroke, yeah. So look out for these two things. And last thing I have to tell you is that I'm going to tell you the chords by numbers, or finger positions by numbers. So for example, this one, 0, 2, 3, 2. 4th fret, 0, 0 fret. 3rd string, 2nd fret. 2nd string, 3rd fret. 1st string, 2nd fret. So 0, 2, 3, 2. That makes sense, right? But I'm not explain each fingers, because you can stop the video and you can see, oh, your pointer finger is on here, and middle finger is on here, ring finger is here. You can check it on the screen. This is the beauty of the videos. You can stop and check. First, I'm going to teach you how to play the introduction part. So introduction part goes like this. So I'm going to explain one by one. The first chord is C major 7. And with your thumb downstroke, right? 0, 0, 0, 2. And G. 0, 2, 3, 2. All downstroke with thumb, okay? C major 7, G. C major 7, G. Then move on to the second part of introduction. G, down, thumb, and pluck the top string, and stroke up. So down, thumb, up. Okay, this is the pattern of the right hand. Okay, G. Then next one is A minor 7. So 2, 0, 0, 3. And next one is D. So 2, 2, 2, 5. And A7 again. And G. A7, D, A7. Down, down. Then this is the end of the introduction. Let's play slowly again, shall we? So now move on to the part 1. Part 1 was separated into 5 sections. So explain each sections one by one. The first section goes like this. Okay, so I'll explain. 0, 2, 0, 0, and third string, second string, this one, 0, 2, 3, 0, and pluck middle 2 strings, and third, second string, A minor, and downstroke with your thumb, and downstroke, up, down, maybe that's optional, but you can do. So A minor, 2, 0, 0, 0, okay, up to here. Then 0, 0, 3, 0, and pluck the second string, bottom string, downstroke, and bar the second fret, and downstroke, okay? Then okay, so this one. Next one is 2, 2, 2, 3, and up, 2, 2, 2, 5. Take it off, 2, 2, 2, 2, and up, A minor, down with the thumb, up, down, okay? So this is section 1. I will play slowly again. Section 2 goes like this. So 0, 2, 0, 0, unpluck the third string, second string, 0, 2, 3, 0, unpluck the middle 2 string, third string, second string, A minor, okay, 2, 0, 0, 0, up, and put your ring finger on the third fret of the first string, 2, 0, 0, 3. And slide them to thread your ring finger to second fret of the first string. Then A minor after that. Then move on to the next one. So first downstroke and play 2, 2, 2, 7, and as you up, 2, 2, 2, 5, and down, down, up, down, down, okay? So this is section 2. I'll play it for you again. Okay? Before moving on to third section, you repeat section 1 and section 2 again. So section 1, section 2, section 1, section 2, then section 3. Okay? This one. First thing first, 0, 0, 3, 0, and pluck the second string. And third time, you play top 3 strings, and this one, 0, 9, 8, 7, and put your pinky on the 10th fret of the first string and play, and slide them 2 fret up. So 0, 11, 10, 9, pluck the second string and pluck the 10th fret twice again. So this is section 3. I'll play slowly again for you. Okay, now move on to section 4. Section 4 goes like this. So 0037 and down, up, when up 0035 and down with 0037, down, then second string and second string again, but put your middle finger on the 5th fret of the second string. Okay, so it goes like this. Then, so first this chord 0, 6, 7, 5, and pluck the top 3 string and first string, down, up, or something like that. So this is section 4. So this is section 4. Now move on to the last section. Section 5 goes like this. So 2002 and pluck the first string and twice, then down. As you go up, 2003 and up again, and 2000, up, up, down, up. Then 7th fret of the first string, pluck twice, and 2227, up, up, down, up, then 2225, down, up, down, down. Then that's section 5. I will play slowly again for you. So this is the end of part 1. Now I'm going to show you the video that has section numbers. That was the video 1 of the tutorial of Heal the World. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And also please share this video to your friends. And the next video is coming, so please wait for it and please continue to learn this song. Bye bye.